In this video, I'll guide you through how to upload a video on Webflow. Whether you're looking to enhance your website with engaging content or simply want to add a personal touch, uploading videos can make your site more dynamic and interesting. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to get your video live on your Webflow site. First things first, you'll need to navigate to webflow.com. This is the platform where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. This will give you access to all the sites you've been working on as well as the tools you need for video uploading. Once logged in, look for the site where you want to add the video. You'll see a list of your projects. Just select the one you're working on and click to open it. This will take you to the site's design interface where you can start making changes and enhancements. Now that you're in the design view, it's time to add your video. Look to the left-hand side of your screen and find the Add Element button. This is your gateway to adding new content and features to your site. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options for enhancing your web page. Next, you'll need to search for the video element. In the search bar, type in video. This will filter the elements, making it easier to find what you need. Once you see the video option, go ahead and click on it to add it to your page. This step is crucial as it tells Webflow that you want to incorporate video content into your design. With the video element now added to your page, the next step is to enter the URL of the video you want to upload. Remember, Webflow supports embedding videos from platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, so make sure your video is hosted on one of these sites. Simply copy the URL from the video platform and paste it into the designated field on Webflow. This tells Webflow where to pull the video from and ensures that it displays correctly on your site. Finally, don't forget to give your video a title. This is not just for organizational purposes. A descriptive title can also help with accessibility and SEO. Enter a title that accurately describes the video content, making it easier for users and search engines to understand what your video is about. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully uploaded a video to your Webflow site. This simple addition can significantly enrich the user experience, making your website more interactive and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.